Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best windshield repair kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RainX Windshield Repair Kit. This kit repairs all types of laminated windshields, minimizes the appearance of chips and cracks, and stops cracks from spreading. It's good for multiple repairs, and the crack vanishes when examined at a 45-degree angle. The kit works best on round damage 1 inch in diameter and smaller, and cracks no longer than 12 inches. The kit includes a 1-gram bottle of resin repair, a repair device, curing strips, razor blade, and instructions. This kit fills in chips and small cracks nicely and makes them hardly noticeable. It's easy to use, doesn't take much time to complete the repair, and includes enough resin to repair more than one chip. The resin cures only when exposed to UV light, e.g. sunlight, so it is easy to work with and clean up. The kit can inject resin deeply into most cracks, displacing air bubbles and restoring the look of the glass. One downside is the kit will not work effectively to patch large holes. Also, it doesn't have a pushpin to remove some of the center crushed glass, and the instructions are somewhat technical and may be difficult to decipher. In addition, the product has a strong odor and can adhere to your skin if you don't wear gloves. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 3M Windshield Repair Kit. Available at a friendly price point, the 3M Windshield Repair Kit is a popular option for those wanting high quality at a lower cost. The set comes with everything you need to apply it, going on smoothly and needing no heating. The resin is fairly viscous, with the added thickness contributing to a quick drying speed. When it's applied immediately after the damage, the 3M set is able to prevent more widespread cracks. As such, it is better to get this kit as a preventative measure instead of as a way to fix damage you already have. It is designed to limit the spread of cracks and therefore isn't as well suited towards larger scale damage. For the best results, be sure to use this repair tool right after the damage occurs. Provided it's used correctly, this valuable kit is a great way to protect the glass on your car. At number 3, we have the Clearshield Auto Glass Repair Kit. If you find yourself making frequent calls to your local windshield repair shop, it might be time to invest in this Clearshield repair kit. Unlike other quick fix kits, this uses higher quality components and has enough resin for 200 repairs. The hard case includes a metal repair bridge for proper alignment, an applicator with 8 internal and 4 external rings for a tight seal, resin, pit sealer, 100 curing squares, 20 drill bits, 10 razor blades, and an ultraviolet light. This kit can repair much more severe damage than your average consumer-grade product, but it also requires far more skill. Don't go drilling your windshield until you are comfortable with the procedure and understand the risks. Once you know what you're doing, this kit is capable of professional results. This high-end kit is the most expensive option on our list. There are better options for a one-time fix, but this can pay itself off quickly if your windshields get regularly bombarded by rocks or hail. At number 2, we have the ATG Windshield-Fix Repair Kit. When your priority is stopping a crack from spreading, the ATG Windshield-Fix Repair Kit is a terrific option. It is designed to address small chips in the glass as well as thinner cracks. The set itself comes with 16 different pieces, each with a different role. The powerful injector and sealing rings contribute to the airtight vacuum. The high-grade resin fills the hole while the adherent parts are there to hold the surrounding glass tightly together. The resin leaves behind a smooth result, preventing distortions in vision when you look through the glass. Coupled with the scraper, you can get smooth and even results from all angles. The shelf life of the equipment is fairly lengthy, making it a good tool to keep around in case of an emergency. Bear in mind that the resin is really powerful, but you only see full effects if it's cured under UV light. As a result, either repair the glass in direct sunlight or use a UV lamp in order to get the best results. And finally at number 1, we have the TriGlass Windshield Repair Bridge. Maybe you've already picked out your ideal resin and you have a razor and curing strips at home. Bring out the best in all of them with a TriGlass repair bridge that's good enough for professional use. This tool is designed to force resin into the damaged area of your car's glass using consistent pressure for a strong, bubble-free result that looks as good as new. Unlike the plastic bridges that are included in most kits, this one is machined from solid metal so it won't flex or crack. Knurled handles and large threads on the attachments let you position this bridge exactly where you want it. We'll admit that this tool is pricey, but it sure beats shelling out 5 times that amount for a new windshield every time you get a chip or crack. If it's good enough for the pros, it's good enough for us. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.